All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at the a feature drop from Google, and it is the circle to search. And I think this is a very nice feature. And so I'm going to demo it right here on the Pixel 8 Pro for you. It's pretty simple. This is the Minty Fresh Pixel 8 Pro, by the way, but it's pretty simple to do. It's more than just circling. You can actually do like squiggly lines and things like that. So I actually have been using this for a little bit now. It's actually very efficient. It's actually pretty good. It's quick, but it's another feature, honestly, that I think if you don't use it regularly, you could possibly forget that you can actually do it. So a lot of people also don't have this update yet. I've learned several people that nearly 95% of the people I've spoken to, they don't have the feature yet. Let's show you how to do it here. We're going to go into the browser. Let's see here. Let me go back to go in Google. I was searching for some Mustangs. I was searching for Corvettes. You can do it anywhere. So let's go ahead. Let me show you how to do it here. It's really simple. You just long press down here and you can do a squiggly line and it'll search for something that's pretty much the same as that. There you go. Let's just say I want to go into, let's go into here. Let's visit the site. This is where it is. Out of stock. But let's go ahead and search within a web page. There's your search feature. It's going to find that everywhere. Still out of stock at Walmart. And let's just say I want to go from here. Squiggly line. Just going to keep trying to find it. So you can just keep going. You can just keep searching, keep searching, keep searching. And that's pretty much it, man. You can find whatever you want with this type of motion here. Any kind of squiggly line, any kind of circle. Circling obviously is the way it's presented, but squiggly lines is actually really quick. Instead of doing a full motion, you can just do a line through. Let's see if a line through works. Yeah, there it is. It's just a matter of the gesture. So whichever is quicker for you and easier for you, you can actually do it. So that is a nice feature, man. I have to admit, it's a very useful feature too when you're searching for something on a web page and you want to actually get to it very quickly. You want to find more of the same. Of, like I said, if something's out of stock, you can keep searching until you find it. But nonetheless, that is Circle to Search on the Pixel 8 Pro. If you don't have this yet, go into your settings, system, and look for the update. You just want to go down to settings and then system and then system update and see if it's here. Like the update isn't going to say Circle to Search. If it's not there, you might just basically what I'm saying is make sure your Pixel is up to date with the latest software, and it'll probably be in there for you. So right now, as you can see, I'm still on the January security patch. So, and I have it because, you know, hey, the Pixel 8 Pros are getting it. Your Pixel 8 Pro might not have it though. Like I said, most people are saying they don't have it yet. So hopefully you guys get it soon. It's a very cool feature. And I rank it right up there with all the other nice feature drops that they do from Google. And this is just one of many that they just recently dropped. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. The Pixel 8 Pro and Minty Fresh is really nice. If you haven't seen that unboxing and things I've been posting online about it, go ahead and check it out, man. Head over to store.google.com or hit the link in the description and you can grab yours. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.